In this video, we are unboxing the 1/4 inch Hex Bit Socket Set. The set includes a total of 13 bit sockets. The 2mm to 6mm hex bit sockets are a 1/4 inch drive. The 12mm and 8mm bit sockets are 3/8 inch drive. The 14mm bit socket is 1/2 inch drive. The designation is H, which stands for hex size. The unit is millimeters, corresponding to the hex head width across flats. Now let's demonstrate how to assemble the bit sockets with a ratcheting wrench. These sockets are compatible with ratcheting wrench and torque wrench. Assemble them. Next, demonstrating the 3/8 inch drive. Install the bit socket onto a 3/8 ratcheting wrench. Next is the 1/2 inch drive demonstration.